Cheese. Cheese. Hello? Alika, 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 Alika. Do. Boop, 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 but, but. Dakato. Bareteng.
Mama, Daddy.
Pokate.
Mama, Daddy.
Oh, sorry.
Pa. 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 Do. Da. Di. 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 Bagel.
How are you? You were in a car accident?
Yeah, and so is he. And
Okay.
he comes here too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Were they in like booster seats or something? Or?
Yeah, they were in their car seats, but they
Okay.
were sitting way in the back where it was mostly impacted.
Oh, okay.
So,
You got hit from behind?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. As long as they're in their car seat, usually
Yeah.
they're okay.
Okay.
They're walking around playing and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so it'll be all right.
Okay.
Right after it happens, you feel okay. It's the next, like 3
Yeah,
days
that's-
after that, you get really muscly, like,
Yeah, and that's what
strained
That's
and
what they
stuff,
were
yeah.
complaining about. But I had him checked out.
Yeah.
And stuff. So.
take some Motrin usually, and then that
Okay.
goes away. No
Okay.
problem. Okay. Guitar, hop up here. Is that right, Guitar? Did I say it right?
Yeah.
And she's 4?
Yeah, she's.
Okay.
Oh,
She has to get a couple of those things today.
Okay.
There we go. What a pretty dress.
Thank you.
Are you going to preschool or anything? Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you have a nice teacher? Good. She's growing perfect.
Okay.
Let's check you out. Give me a big breath. Go.